Some cons, I would say, like getting distracted easily or not paying attention to the teacher because you're too busy texting your friends on like any social media.
You can also access assignments and you get updates on things, which is also really helpful because you can kind of just see things right then and there.
Um, some cons is I get distracted easily. So let's say I'm doing an important assignment, I get distracted. Having a phone in class is, I guess it's like, I don't really pay attention that much. I'm always on my phone. That wouldn't be safe because if something happens here at school, I wouldn't have anyone to call. I would have to resort to the teacher, and I bet she or he wouldn't want to call my parents because everyone.
Some pros to having your phone are, like, if there's a safety concern, being able to quickly access people and like parents and guardians. Also, like, phones are sometimes needed inside the classroom, like since